Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank Crunch. In the last episode, we went through the Gorda City ruins and we the warp, which I also who thought he was Steve. But anyway, in this episode, yeah, look at that, just bringing the chickens, and then you just pop. But in this episode, we're going to be finishing up the Gorge City ruins and seeing what leads down this path. Yeah. The only bad thing about the Morph Array is it works on smaller enemies extremely quickly, but on the bigger enemies, it takes a little bit for them to transform, and I don't like that as much, but oh well. Everything has its design flaws. Okay. Not too hard there. Man, I keep forgetting that we don't have Clank. But anyway, last time I talked about my favorite DC superhero, which you didn't watch last time. It's Green Lantern. But this episode will be more Marvel based. Because my favorite Marvel superhero is actually a tie. It's a tie between Doctor Strange and Wolverine. Now, the reason I like Doctor Strange is I've always been somewhat fascinated by magic, and that's why I like him. If you're saying to yourself, wait a minute, if you like magic, then why don't you like Dr. Fate? I do, he's just not in my top 5. I'll meet you guys back where we were. So getting back into what I was saying, that's the reason I like, Doctor Strange, because I've always been interested in magic, and just the fact that his adventures are quirky and off the wall also kind of make it pretty interesting. But yeah. So the reason I like Wolverine is just, he is the ultimate comic book badass. Like, you talk about comic book badasses, they're gonna say Punisher, Wolverine, Spawn, and stuff like that. And the other reason I like Wolverine is because of Hugh Jackman. Hugh Jackman, my first ever comic book movie that I ever saw was X-Men. And considering I was born in '97 and X-Men came out in 2000, yeah, it was the first ever time I saw Wolverine. And it was so cool. Yeah, Hugh Jackman created that character for me. I'll meet you guys back when we're ready. Yeah, whenever I was a kid, Hugh Jackman was my Wolverine. He was the one who got me into the character, and I stayed with that character till today. And I want to thank him for that. And that's why Logan made me as sad as it did. Because he was the one who got me into Wolverine, and he was the one who, actually, if I think about it, he's the one who kind of started me on my way to comics. My God. You guys back there. Yeah, but that's what made Logan so tough to watch, is that the guy who made me interested in comics, the guy who created one of my favorite comic book characters of all time, or who brought to life one of my favorite comic book characters of all time, the guy who shaped possibly my life to come, is done. This is his last time, and that's the thing that made me so upset whenever I went into go see Logan. And yeah, but I love how he went out. It was a really good way to end his career as Wolverine. I mean, surely he's going to make more movies after this. I don't doubt that in the slightest, because he's a really good actor. But as Wolverine, I don't think anybody will ever be able to take up his mantle. I mean, people have said they want, and I think Fox has even said that they want, his name is escaping me now. The guy from Mad Max, the guy who played Bane, they want him to be the new Wolverine. And I would be okay with that. But it wouldn't be my Wolverine. Because my Wolverine will always be Hugh Jackman. And that's the thing that upsets me. Right.
Hey, welcome to my shop. What can I get you?
I'm looking for Drek.
Sure, yeah, I got lots of stuff on sale. After the bombing, no one is around to buy anything.
Are you okay?
Low prices? Oh, you bet. I can make you a deal on a busted turburator, a mangled carbonizer, or I got this info bot.
Guess that bombing was pretty loud, huh?
Oh, you're one shrewd negotiator. I'll tell you what. I can let this infobot go for half price. Well, that's about it for me.
Thanks.
Quit your complaining. I gave you a great deal. Jeez!
Afraid to go out at night? Afraid to go out during the day? Just plain afraid? Then you need this! The Ultra Mech Unlimited. This mech is the ultimate in personal defense system. Blorge Industries is now taking pre-orders. Get yours before it's too late.
Now that's what I call serious firepower. Clank's gonna be jealous if he sees this.
Alright, so we got our next destination. And boom. Ready. We'll have to go and check out what that is. Okay, where do you lead? Spider-Man, Spider-Man, does whatever a spider can. Moves away anytime, catches things just like flies. Look out, here comes the Spider-Man. Alright, and what did that accomplish? Did that accomplish anything? Life is a great big hang up. Whenever there's a bang, look like the Spider-Man. God. Because here's the gold bolt. Dang. That is the most complex goal vacants we're going to have in this entire series. So, alright, and here's a taxi cab. Oh, okay. I thought I was just gonna swing on that and go back to the ship. But, speaking of going back to the ship, let's go back to the ship, and I think we're gonna end it off here. So, on the next episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we are going to head to the new planet of Quartu. Quartu? One of those pronunciations. And we're going to see what this planet has to offer us. The Ultraman. Alrighty. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great day.